Family fishing series, how to teach your child to fish. I'm so super excited about this. I remember how excited I was as a kid catching just about anything. Today is part 2 about collecting bait, and in this video I'm going to teach the kids how to pump yabbies. If you haven't already, make sure that you check out rogersfishing.com, Australia's newest online fishing community. Rogers Fishing is packed with a huge, ever-growing resource of step-by-step courses, instructional videos, live question and answer sessions with me, and loads more. Whether you're an absolute beginner or have been fishing for decades, there's something for everybody. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. This family fishing series is designed for parents, complete with tips on the most effective ways to teach your kids how to fish. The main priority here is bonding with your family, and I want you to get the most out of your fishing trips together. The awesome thing about doing this is that not only will you build stronger relationships with the people you are responsible for, you'll have fun and learn important skills at the same time. I've put together a free PDF download with all the tips in this video, so stick around for that. I'd also love to hear any success that you've had with this, so please let me know in the comments what you think. Oh, that's a little toad.
Oh, there's a toadfish there.
Yeah. Can you see all these holes?
Yeah.
These are yabby holes. And you know, can you see this, all this area here? All this shallow area? Yeah. There would be millions. There's holes everywhere. In fact, it's not just here. Can you see how there's sandbars on the other side as well?
Yeah. Yeah.
They'd be over there. Not only that, but right up the channel, both sides of the channel, you would have yabby holes like this everywhere. In South Africa, they call them pink prawns. They call them the pink prawn. and they use them for bait there. But essentially the yabbies are living in their little holes, and we suck them out with the yabby pump. Now, Caleb, I want you to hold the bucket.
Okay.
Actually, we'll just put a little bit of water in there to put the yabbies in. Okay.
Do they breathe in water?
Do they breathe?
Yeah, in water.
Yeah, I think so, yep. So that's for the yabbies to go in. Now, who's going to hold the sieve? You want to hold the sieve, Josh?
Elizabeth's going to do it.
Elizabeth's going to do it. Now, what you've got to do, let me explain, Elizabeth. You have to hold it down near the water like that and hold it well, and I'm going to pump mud into it.
Okay.
But I'll try not to get it on you.
Okay.
Now, I'm just going to, before I do that, I just want to explain what not to do. Because what you do is, this is like a plunger, you're sucking up water and mud out of the yabby hole, and the yabbies come up with it. Some people I've seen, when they do it, they push this all the way down like that, and then they pick it up and then they squirt it. But you know what happens? Is they end up with a sausage of sand. It's like they're just getting a pump full of sand. So what you should do is you put it in, you put the pump down maybe 15 centimetres, so you put it into the sand, and then it's a full withdrawal. So you're getting the full suction.
Are you gonna pump?
And then you do it maybe 3 times in that hole. Yeah, well, okay, you ready? Okay, now you just hold it here.
Okay.
We'll just see if we get any. You ready? 1. Oh, look at the first pump. Yeah, look at that. Wait there. In the first pump, we got, there's a yabby.
And there's a yabby.
You wanna hold that one?
Do they bite?
No, this one doesn't have big nippers. He can't hurt you. Give clear, simple instructions at each step and allow for as many mistakes as it takes to get results.
Look, he's kicking him.
It's a little baby yabby.
We can just put him back in.
But you know, that yabby, see, he's just a tiny one. We will let that one go because he's too small. But this one's big enough to use for bait. So we're going to put him in the bucket in there. Then what you do is you just tip out the stuff, and then we move on to another hole. So we're going to come over here a bit. We're going to come over here, Elizabeth, and you hold it down here. I'm going to pump into it. Now you just keep holding it until I tell you to stop, okay? Oh, look at that. Now stay there. Oh, okay, let's give it, now what you do is you shake it Now, hang on a minute, because see these ones here?
That one's too small, isn't it?
No, but look at this guy. Look at his big nipper.
Oh.
Can you see that?
Yep.
They hurt. Look, if I put him on there, he might not bite me, but I've been bitten by them lots of times.
They hurt.
They won't kill you or anything, but it's just like, ah, it stings. So that one, he's like a medium-sized one. He's got a good nipper.
I'll drop him.
Then look, there's another one there.
Do you rip their nippers off?
So we got 3 in that.
He's trying to crawl off.
They're not huge. They're just kind of medium-sized yabbies.
Yep.
You want to try and get the one with the nipper?
No.
You know, I'll tell you a really safe way to get the ones with the nippers is you actually grab them by the nipper,
Yeah, that's right.
like that, and then they can't do it.
Oh, his nipper fell off.
That's right. So if you grab them by the nipper, now we might get an even bigger one. So we're just going to put them in there.
Can I? Oh, look, they swim really good.
Now, would you have a turn of holding the sieve,
Sure.
Grace? Now I'm going to pump into there maybe 7 or 8 times, okay? Just hold it at water level. It means you've got to bend over. So I'm going to go 1. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that guy. 2. Let's just try that. There's only a couple of pumps there, but look, this is a good example.
Look at that guy.
No, but if you're going to grab him, look, see how big his nipper is?
Yep, grab him by the nipper.
If you're going to grab this guy, you want to get him by the nipper because he is, like he'd draw blood.
Yeah.
Now once again, it's not the end of the world, you know.
Got him. Oh, look at that guy.
This guy doesn't have a nipper.
So we've got 4 there and a couple of, you can see it's not, it wouldn't take you long to get enough for bait.
This guy doesn't have a nipper.
Like if you're
that guy's
doing-
dead.
Wait, that nipper's moving still.
Yeah.
Just put the nipper in with them.
No, I
See,
don't.
can you see them in the bucket? You can see them swimming around and,
They use their tail.
Yep, they look happy enough, don't they?
yeah, they're just,
Like-
okay,
Oh, they're doing
Grace,
it.
let's go over here.
So that one would be...
Come over here. There's a baby there. Come over this way a bit.
Yeah.
Okay,
There's a baby one there.
you can flip it out and tip it out.
Oh, there's a baby one.
Let's move to a different spot.
He's too spotted in the water, yeah.
So is the bigger the holes that you're seeing, the bigger the...
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So we might just walk over this way a bit. Now I also want to show you that, just to keep that up there for a minute, you don't have to have a sieve because there's lots of places like this where you can pump and squirt it up onto the shore. In fact, there's a yabby there. Right, there's one just there. So you can catch yabbies in areas at low tide. You generally use a sieve at high tide, which means you're not inhibited from getting them at high tide. You can still go out because you just pump into that. But at low tide, if these areas, there was more sand exposed, all of these holes would be accessible. It's a little bit, anything there? Oh, there's one. There's a little one there.
Yep. Oh,
See, there's one there. See that? And there's a little one there.
Got 2 little
Oh, it's only a little one.
So yeah, we let the little baby ones go.
not too small. It's not a baby one.
And what I like to do sometimes is pump a few holes like around the sieve. Like if I'm by myself, I'll put the sieve in the thing like that, and then I can cover an area. Around the sieve like that. Hopefully we've there's a couple of good ones.
Grab this guy. Excuse me.
Oh.
And those ones we can let them go.
There's a baby one and another baby.
So how many have we got in the bucket now?
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We've probably got enough.
There's 2 there. 16. There's 2.
Okay, we'll get 4 more. We'll make it 20 and we'll be done. You go down about 6
we've
inches
got
and then
15.
suck it right up.
15.
No, too far down. You probably got a big sausage.
Right.
Did you get anything?
So that
Yeah,
much?
that's it. And then withdraw. Yeah, then suck it up. Yeah, that's it. And then you just repeat that. So you put it in a bit and then that's it. Okay, we'll do a few of them and we'll see if your dad can get one, eh?
Yeah, he'll probably get one.
Yeah, I reckon. Okay, a couple more. And do two pumps in each hole in the same. So you go down deeper for the second pump. Okay, a couple more. All right, who's gonna shake the sieve?
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, just a second. And I'll grab the yabbies.
Oh, he's got a really big one. Look at that.
This guy's nipper came off, see?
Yeah, it looks like part of his nipper is not functional.
Oh,
Okay, you can pick another spot, Nathan, that you want to give it a go. And so, do you think this is interesting?
Yeah.
You know what? You don't have to buy this. You don't have to pay any money for this. You don't have to buy it. You can just catch your own. Remember, do 2 pumps in each hole. You go down deeper.
Don't you need to go down a little bit deeper though?
Some of them would sell them, but you'd probably pay. You might get a dozen or so for say $10.
Wow.
You know, it's like but you know, you can see. This is a good example. It's not difficult. There would be places in St George's Basin, that general area, on the sandbars like this where you could catch
Nothing.
yabbies.
Great.
Not getting anything.
Could I have a go, Dad?
So I'll give you a couple of little pointers, Josh, just to make it easier for you. When you do that first bit into the sand, right, you don't push the whole thing. You actually push just this part, which goes in easily.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Oh, can I pour it in?
then you suck it up, like that. So you push it in, suck it up. Push it in, suck it up.
Yeah, purple.
Oh, okay.
Giving yabby.
Okay, but you just want to pick a spot where there's a few holes and
So like here.
you know, I'll get out of the way. Hey, Caleb, hold. Yeah, you can put the sieve down low. That way, you don't get badly splashed by it. You got to keep doing it, Josh, till you get one. In this video, I've focused on catching potty mullet and yabbies, also called nippers. Yabbies can be caught all year round and exist right along the east coast of Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. They can be found in just about every river, lake and bay. So today, I've shown you these 2 baits, the mullet and the yabbies, are both
Way to go.
premium baits for catching fish. Once you catch these, then you can chuck them out. Like if you fished with the yabbies or the mullet, just walked out to the edge and fished in that channel,
Yep.
you'd catch fish.
Wow.
Oh, there's another one. You got one.
Oh, got some.
Oh, stop. Careful. They got big nippers. There's another one here.
Well, let Elizabeth get the other one, yeah?
Oh, listen, there's a little one in there. Look, do you want to go?
There. There you go.
Great time.
Oh, there's one.
You can buy sieves like that at Bunnings.
Righty.
Oh.
See, if I let them do it themselves, they actually learn
Yeah.
What?
and have confidence that it'll work.
Fish in there. Yeah, so it's a boat.
Who's ready for lunch?
Me.
Hey Grace, I reckon you should try over in here. If you have a go, there's lots of holes over here. So that's essentially is you push it in with this, about that far. So you push that down and then you suck it. But when you do it like that, you do it, once you've done it once, you do it the same in the same hole again.
Yep.
Twice in a hole. But once we've made a bit of noise, no, you didn't suck it up enough. Once we've made a bit of noise, I like to move. Because all the ones there probably,
Going deeper.
yeah. Right, let's move across a little bit. And you know, once you push it in, try and push it down and then try and get a good suction, like a good, use your muscles, like you're doing a sport, that's it. And then you've also got to have aim. Otherwise, your fellow partner yabbier, you end up slamming them with. Did you get one? Grace is a winner. Oh, here's a small one. Oh, two little ones. Okay.
How come when you dig with your hands, you don't get it?
Oh, you could never catch them with your hands. This wouldn't be. So once you've done a few, move to a different spot, Grace.
I got another one.
She's She's a sand miner.
Like your dad.
I've got some great videos coming up that will enable you to expand your fishing skills even further while having awesome fishing adventures with your family. I'd love to know if there's anything you struggle with or would like to see covered. Please let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. But just quickly, I've got some great information for you about today's video that you can grab in this download, or it's in the description as well. The purpose of this video is to help you spend quality time with your kids and also together to learn a valuable life skill. And if this has been a help, make sure that you like and subscribe and let me know what you think, because I read all of the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All the best with your fishing.